Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be giving one of my old phone cases a makeover. This is a video idea that I've had for a really long time, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, this is the phone case that we're going to be giving a makeover today. Just to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, I had this phone case on and I accidentally spilled nail polish remover on it. When I went in to wipe it down, the paint actually started coming off with it. So I guess that happened because the paint reacted to the acetone, and now I'm left with this phone case that has this very rough texture to it. And as you can see, it doesn't look cute at all, so we are going to be fixing it today. Like I just said, the surface of this case is very rough because some of the paint came off and some of it is still on. So what I'm going to do is just remove all of the paint. And because I know the paint will react to the nail polish remover, that is what I'm going to use. So I took a cotton pad and I just drenched it in nail polish remover, and I'm just wiping it down, and you will start to see that the paint is coming off. I went over the phone case using the cotton pad for I think like a minute, and then I just started to scratch off the paint. It was very easy to do, but I will say that it got very messy, and you will see that in a minute. I've successfully removed all of the paint and the case is all smooth now, so we have a clean canvas to work with. This is just the aftermath. I thought I would show you. It was very messy, but it's gonna be worth it. Before we start painting this phone case, I went ahead and I washed the phone case using some warm water and soap. Finally, we can start painting the phone case. The possibilities are endless. If you are making your own phone case, you can make whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the phone case using some purple acrylic paint. By the way, when you're using acrylic paint, please make sure that you let each layer dry completely before you move on to the next. Otherwise, the paint starts coming off and then it just isn't gonna look as clean or smooth. Once the base layer was completely dry, I went in with a small paintbrush and I'm gonna paint on a planet. Again, if you are making your own phone case, you can do whatever design that you want. This is just what I'm doing. And yeah, there's really not much explaining to do because you can pretty much see what I'm doing. And of course, nothing is complete without a cute face, so I am just gonna go in and add a smiley face to the planet. Once I was done painting, I let the phone case dry overnight, and then the next day I applied a gloss varnish to seal in the paint and to also give it a glossy finish. If you don't like the glossy finish, you can also use a matte varnish. This was the phone case before the makeover, and here it is after. I love it so much. I think the planet is such a cute design. And I also really love the color. And yeah, I love everything about this phone case. I think it turned out really nice, and I hope that you guys like it as well. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.